our surrounding. Growth. This is Raju's pet dog, Moti. When Raju brought him home, he was a little puppy. Raju used to play with Moti. When Raju threw the ball, Moti chased it and jumped all around. Moti has grown big now, but the ball is still the same size as before. Raju has also grown bigger, but the clothes he wore at that time are too small for him now. Why do you think this happens? Let us take a look around us. Growth in plants. Look at the picture. Seedlings planted in pots grow bigger, but the pots remain as they are. The bricks in the garden, the pots in the fence, do they grow any bigger? Now, let us turn to some things that can grow bigger day by day. Which of these things? A fan, girl, car, rope, and tree will grow? Which ones will remain the same? What will happen to a kitten if it does not get anything to eat or drink for many days? Will it grow well? Will it grow bigger? The kitten needs food, air, and water to grow bigger. The kitten is a living thing. Living things need food, water, and air. Air is needed for life. Observe this. Put some cooked rice and water in a small jar. Place some live cockroaches in the jar. Close the lid tightly. Observe the cockroaches for some days. You will find that the cockroaches die in a few days even though there is food and water in the jar. Why does this happen? The cockroaches had food and water but did not get enough air. Hence, they suffocated and died. If we do not get enough air, we also feel suffocated. All animals and plants need air besides food and water to live. Non-living things. Observe this. Do things like a table, stone, or bottle breathe? Do they need food and water? Things that need food, water, and air are living things. Things that do not need food, water, and air are non-living things. Living and non-living things. Try this. Take 2 small plastic bags. In one bag, plant a seedling. In the other, plant things like a stick, a pencil, a piece of wire, with one of their ends in the soil. Water both bags daily. Observe the things in the 2 bags for a week. Make a note of the changes you see and decide for yourself which of these things are living and which non-living. Movement. Living things can be divided into 2 groups, plants and animals. Observe this. Butterflies, hens, goats, crows can all move. They obtain food and water by moving from place to place. They are living things. Grass and plants are also living things. However, plants do not have to move from place to place for food and water. Non-living things like a stone, chair, or table do not move by themselves.